All right, people, so you have to let your dog be a part of your life. So I was out here blowing all of these, and I was like, this is a great time to train. This is a great time to desensitize a dog to something. Some dogs don't like vacuums, some dogs don't like blowers, and you see, Rye don't care. So she was out here running around, and I was blowing, and she came up, and I clicked and rewarded it. So you want her to understand that even though some stuff is going on, there's no reason to be worried. Don't overthink it, and if your dog is not comfortable with something, what you do, I would put it down. I'd walk her over to it. Come here, puppies. When she wasn't scared of it, I would reward. Again. Yes. Then I would leave it on the ground, give it a little. She doesn't run off, we will reward. Reward again. Then you add it. Come here, yeah! Building confidence is a process, people. Don't rush it. Don't overthink it. Teach, train, test. But as always, just take care of that dog. Yes, good ride.